We're here to learn to communicate more effectively as a team together.
I'd improve on accepting who I am as a person and getting an understanding of who I am.
The outcome I'm hoping for is to be able to understand how Ben likes to receive information so that I can communicate it in a way that he receives it well and we can move forward together. The weekend's been really powerful.
There's a lot more to relationships than meets the eye. There's a lot of work behind it. John and Amanda sharing their relationships has been fantastic. To know you're not the only one out there and there's support, it's been great.
I learned how to get out of that state of anger to make sure that the communication and the message is actually being received.
I've really valued giving time and space to communicate with each other, valuing how you feel, but understanding that they feel that as well.
I think it'll improve how we each like to communicate and improve our relationship.
I'm grateful I put my hand up to come to this. It's been a really great experience.